I'm Nicholas, and today I took 8 hours of PTO to clean my dryer vent. Step 1 is locating where your dryer vent comes out of the house. Mine is underneath the deck. Most of the time it'll just be on the outside wall or maybe on the roof. My vent hood is like permanently mounted to the wall, so I can't take it off. But if you can take it off, take it off. Mine has like a little flapper, so I might have to fight with that. But we'll see. If you can, I would really recommend taking a before photo of the inside of the duct, mostly just so you can show your neighbors how clean your duct is. Mine has electricity and gas running to it, so I gotta disconnect both those things. I'm going to take off this whole piece and clean it separately. Now it's time for the action. I got the Lint Eater Pro. It's got all these little attachments. I'm going to use this one. And all these arms. The only problem is this piece goes on the duct and this doesn't fit with my vacuum. So I'm going to tape it together. All these pieces clip together with these little inserts. Pop it down. Click it in. Time to get started. This couldn't be a more cramped space. But that's just the name of the game. Feed that through there. Oh, that's pretty slick. Okay. Turn on the vacuum. I've officially ran into what I was worried about. There's this really tight corner up here, and I think I'm getting to it and it's not able to make the corner, and I don't want to break the stick off. I made a decision. I'm going to come out of the hole and try to come at it from the other side. It is much cleaner though. Before, after. I almost forgot to clean this hole, so I'm going to do that. It doesn't fit, so I'm just going to hold it. I realized I think I can fit this in the hole outside. I'm going to leave this on the inside because this definitely won't fit. And it comes with this little plug for this hole for the stick. Let's try it. Moment of truth, I got the vacuum running. I'm definitely going to need a shower after this. God. I'm done with that. I can hear the airflow a lot more now. I think there might have been a clog. I put everything away and then I realized I forgot to clean this. So I cleaned it like a cannon. Gas is on. Whoa. I bought this little contraption to go on my vacuum. Link in the description if you want it. To clean this hole. I always clean this hole too. This hole's clean. Now for the very final stage. If your area looks as bad as my area does, definitely want to clean it. Not only because it's ugly and gross, but it's also flammable. You don't want that near your house. like a blanket. This might be slightly overkill, but I'm doing it anyway. Pretty good before and after, I have to say. Go clean your own vent now. Yeah, go do it. It's really fun, I promise. See you later.